Let's switch gears. Here's the lowdown on the biggest real estate investment trends for 2024 from the perspective of a CEO of a real estate investment company. These trends are where the money is going. Investors are prioritizing green buildings with energy efficient tech, solar power and LED certifications. Why? Because these buildings offer long-term savings, draw eco-conscious tenants and get favorable treatments from regulators. Now, what to do if your portfolio doesn't have green properties? It's time to rethink. Retrofit older buildings or target acquisitions that have sustainability baked in. It's no longer a nice to have, it's the future-proof way to invest.
Make sure you come right back.
Second point to consider, tech-driven investments. Welcome to the Proptech.
Whoever's making these weapons is obviously combining alien tech.
Real estate is finally getting the tech upgrade it needed, and Proptech is exploding. We're talking virtual tours, AI valuation modules, blockchain
process your earnings and then remit via blockchain.
Enabled transactions. The efficiency and transparency are game changers for investors, making it easier to evaluate. What to do? Invest in or partner with Proptech firms. Whether you're streamlining your acquisition process with AI or utilizing blockchain to manage contracts, tech is your best friend. It's not about just playing the old game better, it's about playing a completely different, faster, more efficient game. Let's talk about hybrid work, which is reshaping office demand. Post-pandemic, everyone thought commercial office space was dead. Turns out, it's evolving. Companies still need office space, but they want flexible, adaptable environments that actually support hybrid working. Think smaller, more dynamic spaces, not those giant, soul-crushing office parks.
Which means there's no way they could have found out unless they put someone in their competitor's office.
Now what to do? Shift your commercial portfolio towards flexible workspaces. Offer properties with versatile layouts that companies can easily adapt to hybrid modules. Rising interest rates. Time to be selective. Interest rates are creeping up, inflation is still a thing, and borrowing is more expensive. But this doesn't mean the game is over. It just means you have to be smarter about where you actually park your money. Investors are hunting for assets that offer reliable returns, especially multifamily and well-located commercial properties. Now what to do? Focus on stable cash flow positive assets, properties with long-term tenants and guaranteed rental income will be your safe harbor. Now's the time to emphasize recession-resilient investments. Think housing demand and essential commercial service. Now about the micro-living situation, the urban solution. As cities get denser and property prices soar, micro-apartments and compact living spaces are taking off. This trend is especially hot in urban centers where younger professionals want to be close to work and amenities but don't need or can't afford sprawling homes. Now what should you do? Develop or invest in smaller, efficient properties. Micro-living might sound niche, but it's scalable and answers a pressing demand. Now, market them as affordable, high-end spaces packed with smart storage and technology. This trend also aligns with sustainability. Smaller footprints mean less energy consumption. Don't forget about the Generation C. If you think Generation C is only buying, think again. They are entering the market faster than expected and they're bringing new priorities. They care about sustainability, tech integration and location. But most importantly, they want an experience. Buying property isn't just about financial investment for them. Now what should you do? To attract these buyers, you need to modernize your investment approach. Digital contracts could be an option. Quick transactions, immersive virtual tours, make the process as tech-driven as possible. Gen Z wants properties that actually match their values.
Generation Z living in peace and harmony.
Eco-conscious, flexible, and digitally optimized. Now the bottom line of all that is 2024's real estate investment game is all about adaptability. Whether it's getting green, going digital, or adjusting to new workplace norms, you can't afford to sit still. Your portfolio needs to evolve with the times. And of course, focus on properties that are sustainable, flexible, and tech-driven. The days of just buying and holding are over. You have to invest with intention, strategy, and an eye on the future. That's how you'll stay ahead of the curve and keep those returns coming. Now we have different options in Panama here. For instance, The Hub, Living, 73, and many other options more. So if you are interested in having an amazing home, eco-friendly, and many more things, write me a message or write in the comments eco-friendly, and I personally will reach out to you. This was Alexander from Panama, experts who live for years here in Panama and really know what they're talking about.